Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how you can check which group has the most data stored on your phone and how you can delete data for a particular group, not all of them, just if you want to pick a group that sends a lot of pictures. I'll show you how you can delete all the pictures in that group only. So first we go to WhatsApp, click on, then we come to the three dots right here. Then we click on settings, then we come down to storage, we come to manage storage right here. So you can see it says forwarded many items, larger than 5 MB. Now when this is the chat, so these are the groups. I mean, we can see this group is data, a lot of data there, and that's 3.4 gigabyte. Wow, that's large. Followed by 52 MB. So if I just want to delete the data, pictures, videos that is only in this particular group, I'm gonna show you how to do that. Click on it, then you can see the pictures right here. Select all, then delete. Click on delete. That's done. You can use this method to free up space in your phone. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you how you can change the wallpaper in your chat. So click on the chat. So right now we come to the three dots, is up here. Click on it and click on wallpaper. If you have a picture in your phone and that's what you want to use, you click on gallery. If you want to use a solid color, you click here. If right here you can download a WhatsApp wallpaper from Play Store, and if you don't like the wallpaper that you use, you can always change it back by going back to the default or clicking here, say no wallpaper. So I'm gonna show you how to remove the wallpaper if you don't like it. So click on solid. See the colors not that good looking, so click on blue, then click on set. So this is what you have right now, but if you don't like it, you could just come back to the three dots, then click on wallpaper, then click no wallpaper. So this has, or you could come back here, the three dots, wallpaper, and click on default, which changes it back to what it was before. That's a default wallpaper from WhatsApp. If you want to put a picture, come to the three dots, just click on it right here, then come down to wallpaper, then come to gallery, You can choose the picture you want with that. Then click on this. Then set. Click on set. Done. I've used that as my wallpaper, and that is gonna affect everything. You can see it's still right here.
I'm gonna show you how you can change the wallpaper for an individual chat. Let's go. Click on your WhatsApp, opens up, click on the person's name, go to the three dots up here, click on it, then click on wallpaper. If you don't see this, it means you need to re-update your WhatsApp. It's a new function in WhatsApp, so you need to update your WhatsApp. Now the dark mode really has a nice set of pictures you could use. The bright mode, I like this. Okay, click on it, then set as wallpaper. Now it asks you, do you want it on all your chats? For all chats, for this chat. So you can set it just for this chat or for all your chats. And you can make it different, maybe for your workplace chat, maybe for your husband's chat. You can just have different beautiful wallpapers you can use. Now I'm going to use this just for this chat. Click OK, and boom. See? Let me come out from here. So as you can see, this doesn't change. It remains the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can use your search function on WhatsApp. For you to use the search function to search for a video or a picture or a link, you need to click on either of these icons you see here: photo, video, or link. Once you click on them, then you type the name of the person who sent it to you or the name of the picture. And it will really work if maybe the pictures were named, make it much easier than the default code that usually comes with the picture. If you know the name of the picture, it will make it much easier. So I'm just gonna look for a picture. You can see all the pictures are out. I can now put whoever sent it to me name or the name of the picture right here. So let's do this. Let's see. Then search. If you look down here, you can see the stunning. Oh yeah, okay. I think I have this. It's cool. So that's how it works. So you can search for documents too. Go back. So if I'm looking for an audio, I just click on audio, then the person who sent it to me, or in the group name where the audio was sent to, just type it into the search. Okay.